So when we started building this house in 2018, we knew we wanted solar. Well, one of the things we learned about solar is you have to have a company that can stay in business, that can service the solar. And one of the misconceptions about solar is once you put it in, CPS here locally is going to service it, but that's not true. So we've seen a lot of solar companies go out of business, and when we were building the house, we asked who should we talk to, and it was Gary, and that was an easy conversation after that. Gary took over. It was great. I didn't have to do anything. Not only did I didn't have to do anything with any of the rebates, any of the HOA. He took care of 100% of everything. His team moved fast once they got the green light. We were up and running with solar in no time. In our other houses, we built it out. It's about at 75%. Had a great, both of them have a great ROI because with 75, sometimes we get 100. So in this one, I told Gary I want at least 100%. We have 92 solar panels on the house. Built it into the design of the roof. So the solar panels are the same color of the roof. As far as ROI, it's been incredible. We've lived here for 6 years now, and I think maybe 10% of the months we've even had an electric bill. It's been 100%, and even in the summer, the hottest part of the year down here, we've had plenty of negative bills during the summer. Someone that's looking to get solar panels in general, I think there's a lot of focus on, people talk about the ROI. They talk about financing, they talk about limiting your electric bill, and I think it's you have to be realistic about it and work with somebody like Gary, because when we started the process, he knew that we had experience with it, he knew that we wanted 100%, but he brought us the other options and showed what the actual ROI was. And I think he does a great job in supporting what he sells. So absolutely, I think a different way to look at it is when we build our next house, are we going to use Gary and his team? Absolutely.